didn't use some. I didn't do it. Someone else has to do it. Sounds like someone the other.
Okay, kamayan muna tayo guys. Kamayan muna.
Yeah, all good.
All good.
All good to go.
Temple. For here, post number 30. Rivers takes the first possession. Rivera to number 3, takes the triple. No good. Rebound. Now number 17. Pass to August, number 27.
Kayo?
Pass to number 12. 10 seconds to shoot. Real time. To number 8. Benoit takes a long tray. No good. Long rebound. Now going in Romero, number 12. Pass break right to Opus. Opus takes a triple. No good. Rebound. Number 7 with a good pass. No good, but it's a foul. Number 18, Rirota. First personal foul, first team foul. 7.
18. 18.
18, number 18.
Inad.
Personal, no good. Rebound number 14. Number 14. No good. It's 2 by Deloy. Number 12. Bordered by Ison. Deloy center play. Pass to number 8. Ibanez. Bordered by Ison. Ibanez to the baseline. Drives. Takes. No good. It's an air ball. Move on. Tyson. Ison. Pass to Opus. Back to Ison. Ison takes. Take pass. Pass to number 14. 3 seconds violation. Archer's ball. Running score, tabla. Number 7 to number 18. Back to number 7. Terence. In and out. Rebound Ison. Ison bringing number 17. Number 17, set of play. Pass to Ison. Takes it to dribble. Drive. Side step. Plays up. No good. But it's a foul by number 13.
13.
Number 30, first personal foul, second team foul. First throw by number 3, Ison.
Suntok sa nguso na kailangan niya. Kaya rin naman, suntok mo na sa nguso.
Ako Somay.
Sama natin sa budget yan, Lexi. So.
Personal basket by Ison. Unang butas para sa winners. Second. No good. Rebound by Rirota, number 18. Wala. Rirota stop. To the play. Pass to number 8, Ibanez. Ibanez. Pass to number 7, Terence to number 12, Deloy. Deloy's on a play. Pass to Terence. To number 13. Walang bola, number 13, baseline jumper. Hairball. Out of bounds.
Wala. 6 seconds to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot. Deloy takes the long tray. No good. It's an whole board. Followed by number 13. Super two by number 13. Let's go down in 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Number 12, Romero. Hey, pass. Pass to number 17. Takes a triple. Bang! by number 17.
Lagman.
Deloy. Deloy nagkamali. Deloy. But it's a foul. Back and foul by number 12, Romero.
Second.
Romero, first personal foul, first team foul.
First team foul.
Terence. Terence, right. Floater. No good. Rebound by Eisen. Eisen passes it to Opus. Opus, Abdullah. Part of number 12, foul. Deloy, number 12.
Good foul.
Deloy, first personal foul, third team foul. Face the rebound. Pass to number 17. Number 17, here's a block. Ibanez. Pass to Deloy. Deloy nagpapatag ng bilang dulot. Deloy.
Oh, too strong.
Opus. Shoot by Deloy. Deloy. Deloy, dire-diretso. Side step. Nakakuha ni Ibanez. Ibanez. 2 for 2. Number 8, Ibanez. One score. It's on 5-4 lamang ng isang Boomers. Romero. To the wall. Set up play. Romero. Takes a screen. Pass to Opus. 2 for 2. Nice assist by number 12 to Opus number 27. Deloy. Deloy set up play. Pass to the middle. Pass to Ibanez. Ibanez hesitates. Takes a three. By number 8, Ibanez. Just only 2, long 2.
2 points. Yeah. Yeah, that's right.
Oh, no. Romero takes a 3. They're good. Loose ball foul by number.
Number 18. Sige, lipat mo.
Substitution, right? Number 18 now. Number 1, Florentino.
Yan, tanggalin mo. Pwede yan.
Eh, baka malupot.
Hindi.
Hindi malulupot yan.
Kanina pa nakasaksak.
Hindi ka naman tayo mag-headphone.
Opus takes a 3. Maroon.
Lagay mo sa balikan. Lagay mo sa balikan.
Pay naman ang paligri.
Ibanez. Ibanez ang pa sabi nasa kay Terence. Pass to Deloy. Terence takes 3. Bang! By number 12.
Malas pa yan ha. Malas pa ha.
Number 3. 3 points out. Plus 2 foul. Balik ko lang.
Babawi ito si Reb.
3-2.
Ayan si Reb.
Followed by number 13. Pass to number 17. Pass to Eisen. Eisen. Very good. That's a foul. Deloy. Who's foul?
13.
30. Number 30. Third personal foul.
Third na yan si ano.
Third.
Penalty na, penalty.
Third.
Hindi lang, konti na lang. First quarter pa lang.
First foul.
Third person pa ulit. Hindi pa mapalitan. Third person pa ulit. Yeah. Number 10. Hindi papalitan. Baka lang kasi. Yeah. Six quarter. Pumasok. Six step. Yeah, but six quarter.
Second foul.
Save time.
Reserve foul.
Ay, so yun na, idol na.
Florentino, airball. Hard foul.
Wake up in the pit ah.
Ayos na ayos. Ang balon. Palagi ko ay binurin.
Score! Tama yung score?
Running score. Kita nyo sa scoreboard.
3, 5, 9, 7, 8, 9.
Tama po.
I just asked you.
Sura 3.
3 points light.
Alright. Good. That's a foul.
Number 3.
Number 3.
Two shots.
2 fouls. Yeah, 3 dalawa. Hindi.
Second team foul.
Second team foul. 1 foul pa lang.
First.
Foul, Floyd. Kamot mo, buong station. first quarter po. Pumunta lang kayo sa kabila, ang dami naman doon. Ayun, sa kabila, ang dami naman.
Hindi, naglalaro-laro lang naman yun eh.
Number 8, Evanes. Number 12, Romeo.
Ako na po!
15 seconds. Paul yan.
Scores correct. Saan ko lang siya?
Tatlo na si Galikdan.
Saan ko lang? Pwede mo ipa... Ban, pwede ipasa mo yung palm.
Bigyan nyo na ibigay kay Rev. Nag-practice to. Nag-practice ng 3 points to si Rev.
Mahirapan niyo ba mamaya? Hindi ka nag-a-announce sa liga, oh. Half time. Malabas ka saan? Wala na ako sa yes.
When they pass it, that's the time you...
Yeah. India, what are you doing?
I'll do it.
Okay.
Number 5, Deloy, nice and free. Number 4, Deloy. Iba na ang inspirasyon. Barata. Magandang laban na ito. Napala ng mga inspirasyon. Evanes goes on the move. Tyson Dino. Rudy, but it's a foul. Three. Number 3, Eisen. Second personal foul. First team foul.
Yeah. First team.
Evanes first row. No good. Pasok niyo si Paulo para may guwapong moves. Third row.
One more.
One more. Fine violation by number 3. Bonus shot. No good.
Ganyan pag si Bandi na baksa nila, kailangan mo early baksa nila.
Tuwas. Iba na talaga pag kasi, nakakabot ibabaksod.
Patay na kahit baksa.
Wala ka. Pagkasahan. Division team. Nine. Six. Number 8. And Biden. First personal foul, first team foul, first score by number 17, like that. First one, no good.
Evans chili paste ka mo.
Like that. First one. Number 17, like that. Lalu pala sa SK Chairman ng Zamora, Mark Catajo.
Pag dead ball.
Evan to Ibanez, pump and takes to the move on break. Ibanez. On a foul move on break. Number 17. To Edwards, to steal. Ibanez. To the play. Pass to Deloy. Pass to number 6. number 17. Number 1. Rota. Rota to Aizen. Aizen to the middle. Aizen. Before the set, foul number 1.
Sub.
Substitution.
Lagay mo na lang sa ulo mo, pre.
Nangangalang ka manood.
Ayaw pa itira eh. Libre na eh. Ayaw pa itira.
Oo nga eh. Ang lamig.
Number 6.
Ball screw by Aizen. Deloy. Florentino takes the trade. No good. Reward. Now number 13.
Hawak, buwag bola.
To number 20. Boss. To number 3. Aizen. Aizen. Fakes. No good. Pass back to number 1. Florentino first personal foul. Third team foul. Fourth team foul.
Baba.
Sergio. First one.
You stay on the side, please.
Sergio.
Tracing me with almost
Yes, for 18 to 19 is green archers.
Just make sure you don't cross the line.
Rodriguez, no good. Number 13, pass back to Aizen. Aizen.
Hintay.
4-1. Pass to Opus. Opus makes. No, there's a foul. Here we go. Fine. Man, paddle.
Huwag nagpahawakan ng bola si Deloy.
Mercado, second personal foul. Penalty.
Huh? No. No, that's for the mic. Which one? The medal. Go get it. Close na.
Mercado. Revive.
Same ball.
Out of bounds. Advances. Drives, takes. No good. Rebound. Deloy fakes, takes. Tumanun. That was all Deloy. Manang inspirasyon. Carga plus sa titik ni Paul. Barona. Nice pass. Opus. Florentino takes a trade. No good for that. Rodriguez. Rodriguez takes. No chance for number 27. Number 6, Rodriguez, go out. Boss. Two by Deloy. Deloy takes a trade.
Grabe.
Iba, nagawa ng diskusyon. Natanggap ng overtime. Boss, drives the middle, side set, hands up, Rodriguez. He goes to the left. Boss takes. Rodriguez, he goes to the left. He goes to
Dos.
Mercado. Drive, side set. Nice pass to Florentino. Florentino. Gandang play by Gloria Chile. Obvious. Does this up? Four.
Nice
Number
yan.
13, beautiful back. Straight. Boy. He's running a smile.
Grabe. Nice.
Baruta sa number 7. Wow.
8 shoes. 8.
Yvonne, very good.
Matama sa ring, idol.
Tumatama sa ring, idol. Tumatama sa ring. So, naglilis ng shot clock. Salamat po.
Gagawin ko.
Official time. Shout out to Glorious Chili Pepper. Shout out to all our sponsors.
Natapakan bola eh. Ha? Hindi ako nurse ah. Elderly ba yan?
Lumabas na 65. Para kami matarini, oh. Lagyan mo na.
Pre. Hindi rin matatanggal yung shoes. Mga mag-ano. Yeah. You share with the...
Lord, pass to Mercado, number 5. Florentino takes the top for Redwood.
Last shot.
20 seconds.
Tawas up to Rizal Joseph.
Hey, Pawa. Give some to your sister.
Takes the frame. Redwood. Arbang. The first half running score 27-13 in favor of Dean Archers. Isis, second personal foul. Romero, first personal foul. Mercado, second personal foul. Valentino, first personal foul. Ibanez, first personal foul. Rodriguez, first personal foul. They work out. Rob Moves, first personal foul. Eric Bad, first personal foul. Deloy, first personal foul. Shout out to our sponsors.
Pre, nakalaro ka na?
Chili Paste. Who's foul up?
Technical.
Lugi kanina yung first game. May referee sa kabila eh.
Saan?
Kabila kanina sa first game.
Bakit?
Lugi, may referee yung kabila.
Gusto nyo ata, walang ano eh.
Oh, lugi, may sarili pito. May player na referee.
Hindi yung isang team kanina, parang feeling nila naglalaro sila sa barrio, yung walang referee na
Kanya-kanya lang.
kanya-kanya lang, kanya-kanya labas, kanya-kanya tawag.
Wala, di kasi magkakalaro. May outing mo kasi. Yung siya ko this one, isang
First na naman? First na naman.
overtime tayo din eh. Bayad ng buwan bago.
to Ison. Ison takes the train. Rebound. Rebound. Now Ronnie, number 17. Mike takes the lead. Rebound by Deloy. Deloy, followed by Romero. Followed by Romero before Romero. Romero drives, takes the lead. Opus with a putback. Opus. Really better than foul by number 18. Number
Second.
18, Wapang foul.
Dalawa lang.
First one, pass. Number 27, open. Torres is on the deal, go ahead. Jay Lowry. Pass. Asu Torres.
Wow, thanks.
Pass to Deloy. Deloy. Deloy takes the train. Logan. Campbell. Steinberg.
Same ball, same.
40 to shoot.
14.
Florentino. Bang! Number 1, Florentino takes the two. Romero. Pass to Opus. Opus tries to the middle. Pass to number 17. Number 17 on Subaru. Number 17. What a hard move. Deloy to Florentino. To the Yorker. To the Deloy. Deloy is in the building. Back to Florentino. Takes the three. Romero. Take on the left. Really very good Collins. Collins spins. Takes. Romero. Rebound. Now with the hit. Takes. Romero. Rebound.
Same ball.
Michael. Romero. To Opus. Takes the three. Romero. Pass to the line. To Florentino. Florentino. Takes. Super good. Florentino. Iba ito niya. Ison to Opus. Opus side to the baseline. Really shot. Powerful. 27. Opus.
Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan?
Good. Di ba siya dyan?
Isang Kobe naman.
Nakakubi naman. Laga, faster play. People pass to number 3, Ison. Logan. Followed by Goli, number 13. Napakainasa mo natin. Ranzo is about that. Three assists. One score is a deadlock. 0-3-5.
On the
You want a paper? Ate.
Ate. Pwede na yan, pre.
Rivera to Waffles. What a beautiful play. 12 to the 37.
Wow.
Change by 37 2.8 by Bulls. Perez. Rodriguez. Balance the feedback. Now in the van. Waffles. Abus. Server. Pass to the ball. Rivera takes the play.
Bang! Right. Grabe yun.
Chocolate, next one.
Bawi.
Isaac, five, take. Good, but it's a foul. Number 6. Who's the foul? First, number 2.
Yeah. Yeah. 2-0. Let's go on softball.
First,
Softball.
Esport, piso-piso lang.
second.
One softball. I'll get that.
One score, 42-38. Florentino takes the play.
Uy, grabe. Mainit ah. Chanting at me. I don't have the paper.
Truly, but it's a foul. Number 6, Rodriguez.
That's the last one.
Ngayon, hindi naman na kayo marunong
The
pero
last
sige,
one.
puro trash
Still
na
have plenty of space there.
Hindi na tumatuloy. Ay, lalo pag nakita mo, ano yan, mga tumira sa perimeter, no? Or forward na. Yes, oh.
Florentino takes the play. In and out.
Grabe yun.
Opus faces the switch. Bottom by Florentino pass to numbers 19 and man. And man, 50-foot jumper. No good. Rebound. Knock on the Ibanez. Ibanez binigay kay Dinoy. Dinoy nakakagalit. Dinoy. Five to the baseline. Dinoy. Pass to Rodriguez. Takes the three. No good. Rebound. Nakakagalit. Lagman. Alison lays up. No good. Foul. Foul. One Florentino. Icing, too short.
Shot clock next one. I need shot clock next time. Next score. Yeah, I need shot clock that one. Online. Or on the app. Score.
First throw, no
Wala
good.
nga, hindi nga nadala ng... Uy, hindi pa mapagana.
Pass it. Speed. Number 3, Ison.
Two shots?
Ah,
I don't know how to throw Gary.
2 shots, pasok sila. 1. Sino kaya phone pwede shopot niya? Shopot niya. Shopot. You played yes. Dito na po second shot. Kasi po makuha na niyo. Taas mo na yun.
Where's your paper?
Dark,
Yeah.
3, 5, 8, 11, 13, 14,
Oh, shopot. 4.
15, 16, 17, 18,
Start of fourth quarter.
Pare? Is that period? No, it's not period.
Last quarter.
Nag-jumble tayo kanina dito. Shopot niya. Nag-jumble kanina. Ay, jumble kanina. Jumble kanina doon yung nakikita mo. Ay,
Tama ito.
Oo, tama yan. Init.
yeah. Tama to. You'll change it? Or later? Jumble. Yeah, we'll change it now. Last quarter. Yeah.
Horns of 44-41, 3-point lead by Boomers.
Yeah. Shopot now.
Number 12,
Yeah.
Silakan. Speed, space, Hulu. Who's on right? Number 30. 4 personal foul, first team foul. Warning. Rivera takes a trade. No good. Rebound. Revives. Number 3. Revives. Oh, kasunod. Walang ball na ko na Opus. Opus takes. No good. There's a foul. Number 8.
Sino na grade? Second. Second foul.
When the second personal foul, second team foul, first throw by Opus. Hindi na.
Anim.
Lorentino,
Uno.
dalawa. Ito dalawa.
Ano ba?
Let's try to go on the other side.
Ay, hindi mo tumidepensa eh. Paano mapapaw yan?
Basket.
Paano mapapaw yung hayop niya? Hindi mo tumidepensa yan.
Ayaw na natin ngayon si Lorentino. Malaki na naman ito yung trabaho yan. Tinakawin kasi. Super good.
We're on the other side.
2 points scoring. Paras.
That was so.
Ayan, tayo sa Shay. Sabi niyo ka na. Binigay pass to the right. Takes a try. No good. Goodbye. Ako na naman na. Scissor trap. Is that no good? Goodbye. Out of bounds.
Time out.
Technical foul, white 17. Technical foul, 12.
Technical foul by number 17 and technical foul with number 12, Deloy. Outside lang, ref. Pero may technical.
Paano? Di ba naman foul? Okay. Pag mag-sinus pa.
Push pa, ref.
Okay. Okay, sorry, this is too slow.
I'm doing something.
And finals. Finals. Paano na rin? Nakaka-adjust ko na ito. Iba na. Number 1, Sammy. Number 14. Number 14. Number 11. One. Nakaka-adjust ko pa rin.
That's it!
Reserve timeout. Tuloy. Pasentado.
Nice spot. Beer.
Nice pass. Number 12. Delaney. Timeout. Pinati. And one is on 49-43 in favor of Boomers.
8 or 4.
You.
Technical foul, one each. Okay. You put one foul first.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, lang nag-detect, pwede mo kumikip.
You put it that way. So when she opens it, she'll read that. You put it
Ngayon lang yun.
4 none. 4.
Yo-yo na lang.
Got 2 and 0.
Okay. I'll just wait for that.
Was that?
One place at the rack.
Technical fouls don't count as team. So remove one technical.
Na.
15 to shoot.
So darts on 2.
15 seconds to shoot.
Na. And Na.
Don't have any space.
You should have put it here.
We can't draw on the thing.
Again. You put it here.
Get ready.
Two medal takes a 2-ball. Rebound by Perez. Perez. Timeout, medal. 2-1.
And then what next?
You say it.
Second personal foul. Second personal foul. First foul.
Na.
Deloy takes a play. Bang!
Hey. Nice. Why? There's no need for ends.
Takes. Rebound. Nabali. Bagas.
Here's the eraser, baro.
Isaac takes a tray. Logan. He has a play. Shout out to the commissioner's side. Hey, for you. People getting Bagas. Bagas break. 2 shots.
I'm doing
This is high.
later.
Ang intro mo.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is tayo. Logan. Money.
Balik, balik.
Wala ko. Number 6,
Foul number 7 ah. Foul number 7. Si Terence.
Ay, wala, hindi na sila. Lara. Lara yun, Lara yun. Hindi, Lara. Okay na.
Libero.
Kasi mga player mo, mga butaw. Mga twista.
Opus. Opus, right. Nice to meet you. Yes.
Hindi pa kayo pumasok. Ayun ang foul.
6.
Penalty. Warning.
Boss, number 6 for
Number 6, 4 personal foul, warning for Grandma. 86. Opposite play, Nogu. Rodriguez. Rodriguez, Charlie Perez. Lazy.
Kala ko ikaw yung ano. 14.
10 days until my birthday.
Abagsakan yung balikat.
Boss A, E!
Teka, technical.
How many days
Time out.
until my birthday?
Ano yung balikat?
Ayan.
How many days until my birthday?
I don't know. 52?
Nana
Ano yung balikat?
said on
Nabagsakan.
Nana said on Sunday
Oh, si
it
Opus.
was 55. Nana said on
We'll count it later. We'll count it later.
Meron si Opus.
Huwag. Isang tayo mag-huwag. Huwag. Huwag. Shoulder?
Daming injury ngayon.
Yes. Eh, mali nyo, magpo-propose lang yan.
Ikaw kakanta. Ikaw kakanta.
Wala foul ko ya? Wala, 3 seconds daw. Sa edit sa kabila ko bola. No foul.
Pare?
No foul.
Nasa?
No foul. 3 seconds. Gagi. So, just 2 team fouls for...
Okay, so now foul. Is that right? 2-4?
2 bench 4, that's correct.
Okay, so the foul doesn't count.
Eh, kung ako yung injury niya, gagagawin pa ako.
Pisyo.
Injury.
Pisyo.
Eh, shoutout mo yun.
Just water.
Pisyo.
Binabayaran nyo kami lang.
Calling Junel
Binabayaran nyo kami oras yan. Ano yan?
6-12 to go.
Nalaglag ko.
Baligid yan, baligid yan.
Oh yeah, so not yet.
Hindi magalaw.
Eh, ba't di kami?
Okay, so
Tagapitik eh.
Pisyo.
One ball.
Pisyo, si Junel.
It's a 3 seconds violation.
3 seconds.
Sa tumulong eh.
Yung mga nurses sa kabila, oh.
Oy, mga pisyo dyan, oy, mga pisyo.
Let's go, guys!
Wow. Pasti. Ivan, Nagoli. Aisu. 86. 56.
Wow.
86. Go. Nagoli. Nagoli ulit.
Sel, grabe naman.
Pababa kailangan ito. Pag nakatipulot,
Fiorentina takes the play. Nagoli. Ivan, Nagoli ulit. Nagoli ulit. 26. 23 by Romeo Nagoli. to Florentino. To Perez. Block hand. Ignore. To Perez. Thanks to Jay. Paulo. Pass over. Number 13. Melvin.
Tagal pa yan. 4 minutes pa yan.
Number 4. Thank you. I see. This outside. Keep it good. Number 3. I see. Reserve style. Florentino takes a try. No good. Yoba. Florentino is a hit. I see. Para para number 17. Super cool. Sunset takes.
Oy, sayang.
No.
Let's go play tag on it. Let's go. Wait, no. Wait. We have to come in. Let's play share tag.
Sinabal na mo eh.
Down to the number 13. Taking out foul by number 3. Substitution. Substitution ref. Call out. Pole position.
Shoot. Shoot. Last one.
Kasi naman hindi
Deloy.
hindi sila hindi sila nakalang. Ay, vaya!
Oh, nag-goal.
Number 4, Romano. Isaac takes the try. No good, it's an air ball. People.
Dalawang papers ko ni
Nicole. Takes a two. Takes a two. No good. Rebound. Long rebound by Florentino. Steve Romano. Romano. Pass for Isaac. 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 One play. Runs from 57.49, 8.8 Pumas. Florentino takes a three. Bang! Runs for another 2 minutes and 43 seconds. Isaac. Marcus. Super good. Design. Pass to Florentino. Florentino. Bigger game. Number 13. Design. Design. To Terence. Terence. Very good. Number 13. Who's the ball? In first person ball, 14 foul. First person. Burger. Para dedensa.
Para nililip lang.
I'm gonna waste the time. People. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Piece of them to 14. Falling twice. Ball. Fakes. Butterfly. Power rate. Yung bias ng Maori. Binigay kay Perez. Perez. Pass to Florentino. Fakes. Binigay kay Perez. Perez will hook back. Opus laser TPD. Opus. 1 minute and 10 seconds. 15 to shoot. Survey. 10 to shoot. Takes the frame. No room. Rebound. Opus. Two-point. Same
56 seconds.
Fourteen to shoot.
Yep, babo, Jeff.
66 remaining. Okay,
Bagal.
Duran, no good. Duran, Opus.
Ubus oras.
Barabar, number 13. Opus, 10 to shoot.
Yeah.
Opus, 5 to shoot.
It's alright.
Duran, Perez.
28 seconds.
25 seconds remaining. Perez, binigay kay Florentino. Takes the two balls. No good. Rebound, Aguirre Bañez. And Benz will go back for good. Out of bounds.
Tatlo.
15 seconds remaining.
Alam ko, hilig mo eh.
Yung type talaga ni Romero yun.
Sportsmanship, shake hands.
Finish. Good job. Hold on. Thank you. You're welcome.